Hi, today we are going to talk about statements in JavaScript, what they are, how can we write them correctly, and what they are composed of. So, thanks for clicking on this video. We're talking about all this in just a moment. So, first of all, let's start defining what statements are in JavaScript. They are instructions, okay? They are orders that tell the browser what to do exactly, what actions to take, how to perform, all right? For example, when I click on this button, I want you to show this text, okay? In general, statements are composed of keywords, operators, values, expressions. So let's take this example. Var x assignment operator 10 and we finish it with semicolon. This is a statement that asks to assign the value 10 to the variable x. There is a keyword, okay? It's a JavaScript keyword. It's a reserved word that is part of the syntax, all right? So, knowing all these things, now what are the best practices when we want to write a statement? How to write them correctly? So, first of all, when you finish your code or your statement, your order, write a semicolon. Okay, this is indicate that you finish your statement. Second, to make the code or to make the statement easy to read, take into your consideration around the operator in the statement with white space, okay, after the operator and before and after the operator, okay. So, and third, avoid long lines, okay. Don't write more than 80 characters. And if you want to break this line because it's long, break it after writing an operator. All these things just help us to read the code easily. And sometimes we want to execute multiple statements at the same time together. So here we are talking about functions. In this case, we put all these statements between curly brackets. Okay, so I think this is the most important practices that we should take in our consideration and keep it in mind when we want to write statements. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.